Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna continue working on my 2013 Ford F350. And my plan for today's episode is to work on this cab that I took it from my parts truck. And the plan is, what I need to do, I want to disassemble interior completely so I can start working on the body. I might gonna start disassembling some of the parts on the front end so they don't get overspray on them. Before I can do that, I want to take this parts truck, what's left from it, I want to pull it out so I can move this truck over so I can get this cab over this space, got some more space to work around over here. And whatever parts I'll take out from this cab, I want to store it in the parts truck bed so they're going to be organized, and if I need something, I know where to get it. And plus, I can easily put a tarp over it so they don't get any damage on them. Now, let's get things moving around so it can be easily for me to work around these trucks. Okay guys, as you can see, there is some mess behind me. Let's do this camera trick. Hopefully this trick works out. Okay, now let's get this cab over here and start taking it apart. Guys, you probably have a question from the previous episode why I said that I want to paint it, and you guys cannot see it, what's making me painting. If you can come over here, show them how bad this gouges is. And if you come over on this side and look on the sun, you can see how many dents are over here. Dent over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Whole bottom section with the dents. So that's the reason I want to repaint this cab. I mean, I can buff it out, I can do touch-ups, but that's not the way I do my rebuilds. Plus, I kind of like this Ford when I was riding it, and I have in my mind either keep the Dodge or keep the Ford. I don't know, I haven't decided. Since I have a fifth wheel trailer, camping trailer, I have a setup in my Dodge. That's the only reason I don't want to change my Dodge, but I'm kind of got tired of the stick shift, switching gears all the time. It was nice to towing trailers all the time and that reliable transmission, but now since I'm trying to quit the construction and I'm trying to get into those rebuilds, back into those rebuilds since I was doing them previously, I'm debating what I want to do. If I want to keep the Ford for myself or if I want to continue using Dodge. I'm actually really like the GMCs. I'm a GMC fan. I really like those GMC Sierras. But I like this Ford also after riding it. It's comfortable, soft, and all that. I will decide that when I will finish this project. And of course, everything's sellable. Everything have its price. So if somebody gonna give me a good offer on it, sure, I'll sell it. If somebody gonna give me a good offer on the Dodge, I'll sell it also. It doesn't matter. I'm not holding two vehicles. I change them like this, so because I know how to fix them and it's easy for me to get another vehicle for myself. Alright, enough talking. Let's finally get this interior apart. As you can see, I already finished taking apart the dashboard and whatever underneath it. I took the bolt front seats out. Now I'm gonna get this plastic pieces that was miscellaneous on the dashboard, take them out, then I'll move to back seat and I'll take this side panels and I'll take the rubber carpet completely out, and I think at that point I'll be done. Actually, I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about the headliner. It's a little bit different color. It's actually different color because my headliner is black and this is gray. I don't know, I have to decide what I'm gonna do with it. But for now, let's continue disassembling everything and just be done with it. Oh wow. Look guys, I got the towel papers. Actually 3 of them for my shop. At least something valuable. Who wants the Sprite? Oh man, there's a few more. Who wants the Sprite? Oh, can't reach it. There's one more. Coke. Anything else valuable? No? Oh man, who wants more Coke? So far 4 rolls napkins and 5 bottles of what? 1 liter of soft drinks. At least something. Alright, let's get the seats out.
Isn't it strange the way that I look at you? You can't turn away all the things that you make me do. Waiting for a sign, still just hanging around. Isn't it strange the things that you make me do? 'Cause I'm waiting, hesitating. There's a feeling so revealing when I look at you. Thinking back, nothing I would undo. Was worth it all when you said that you like me too. Waited for.
Oh wow. Look, I got the $50. Who wants the $50? I will send it to you.
'Cause I'm waiting, hesitating. There's a feeling so revealing when I look at you.
This is it. The interior tearing apart except the door panels. 3 left, but you can see this. That's what the truck looks like without everything on it. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to clean this out. And what I also noticed that I'm probably gonna have to paint the inside cap also, because over there on the B peeler it's scratched out. If you can show them outside. So that's the reason I'm gonna have to repaint the cap. A lot of work needs to be done. This cap is not perfect. Oh well. What can you do about it? Nothing, except fixing it. And what's my plan is, I'm gonna have to cut this glass out, the windshield and back glass, because back glass is supposed to be sliding glass on my truck, and this is the fixed glass, which I'm gonna have to cut it out and install the different one. Now let's finish disassembling those last 3 doors, and I'll move to under the hood and completely finish disassembling everything that I needed.
Tonight.
I am finally done with the interior. All the doors taken apart, whole interior taken apart. What's left is underhood. Let's quickly disassemble underhood, and then I can start working on the body.
Poisoned by your kiss, only lasting for a while. Now standing here by myself, oh, want it all to come back, want it all to come back, yeah.
that's it. I did it. Everything disassembled. Nothing left from this parts truck. Of course, except the shell. Everything is out. Engine bay, as you saw, clean. I'm gonna leave those heat shields there. The interior doors disassembled also. Everything gonna go back in there from the truck I'm trying to fix. In next episode, I'm gonna be working on the body finally, and hopefully next week or so I can paint it and be done with it, so I can start finally assembling my truck. Can't wait to that point. I'm already excited, and you can see how far I got today just because I want it done. I'm excited with this project, and I just want to keep working, continue to do stuff on it, because I know this truck gonna look awesome. Right guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Maybe you have some kind of ideas what I should do with this truck. Maybe you have better ideas that I have. I saw a lot of comments about the block ops, and it's 50-50. Please like the comment that I'll put it there, block ops or go with the chrome. And you guys asked me how I'm gonna do block ops since my parts are chrome. If I'm gonna do block ops, I'm not gonna be touching those chrome parts. I'm gonna be painting these parts that came off of the parts truck, because it's already been painted or primed. I'm just gonna paint them. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I have awesome stuff coming. If you think this project is crazy, wait till I reveal the next project and the project after and the after. It's gonna get crazier and crazier and crazier. Don't miss out anything. Follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop there before YouTube. I put up a lot of stories there. What am I doing? And what you're gonna be expecting in next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one.